Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video for beginner cinematographers using film, Bolex, whatever your 8mm and 16mm camera might be, I'm going to show you a tip on how not to leave your camera on the tripod when filming around in sunlight. So let's get started. Okay, so beginner cinematographers, do remember if you're shooting on film and whatever else, essentially, never leave your camera mounted on your tripod with it sitting face up, the lenses staring at the sun. The sunlight will damage the lenses as well as very possibly the viewfinder inside of there with the prisms and the glass. This is a no-no and can be very bad for your lenses. Alright, moving on. Also, what I highly suggest for beginner cinematographers, if you haven't shot anything before, essentially what I do is I never walk away from my camera. I always keep it with me. The Bolexes, any other vintage film camera, the parts are very expensive to get. They can be, rather. They tend not to be at times, but they are rare. And as the no longer parts are made for these vintage movie cameras, and so sometimes people on your set will be vindictive and knock the cameras over out of spite, out of frustration. Also, people on the street, when you're filming, the public will not respect you, and they will drive by with their cars and splash water on you and whatever else. Also, I just don't do it. The wind could blow it over. Anything like that could happen. So I hope this helps. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our barter, buy and sell Morbid Team Entertainment group, and put a like on our Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.